Hey, what is going on, guys? My name is Justin, aka Swifty Triple E. Today I'm working with the Uxbridge Youth Center to give you guys a very basic beginner's guide to Rocket League. So, without further ado, welcome to the most simplified beginner's guide to Rocket League. After watching this video, you will understand all of the basic things you need to know to jump on into the soccer field. First things first, Rocket League is a very unique and fun game. It takes a simple sport such as soccer and combines it with cars to make a very fun and unique experience that makes the game what it is today. In other words, it's soccer, but with cars. Rocket League is mostly a team-based game, but you can also face off in a dramatic and intense 1v1. The game has a max capacity of 8 players at once in a game, which splits off into teams of 4. In Rocket League, there aren't too many rules you need to worry about. Just know that the cool glowy orange thing on the floor gives you a boost. And other than that, all you need to know is that Rocket League is basically like a monster truck derby, meaning everything goes. You can smash the ball however you like, you can fly in the air as you please, you can boost to get ahead of your opponents, you can jump and maneuver yourself however you want, and you can even smash into other players. But just a quick heads up, if you do decide to smash into other players, you'll end up blowing up their cars and making them mad. Other than that, the only thing you guys need to worry about is getting the ball into the other team's net. Also, make sure that the other team doesn't score on your net. The controls for this game are pretty simple. If you played any games that has cars in it, this won't be too different. First off, the left joystick controls the vehicle. The right joystick is how you look around and how you use the rear view. X is what makes you jump, which is very important in this game. O is your boost button, which makes you go faster and gets you ahead of the other players in the game. Square is your power slide. Triangle activates or deactivates a ball cam, which focuses on the camera on the ball. This button will be your best friend. It will show you where the ball is at all times, which is very helpful. L1 is your current scoreboard, which will tell you the score of the game and how much time is remaining. L2 is your brake, or how you drive backwards. R1 is your voice chat so you can talk to your teammates. And R2 is your acceleration, basically how you move. Anyways, that's pretty much it. That's the most simplified beginner's guide to Rocket League. Hope everyone watching finally understands the concept and rules and the controls for Rocket League. Thank you guys and girls so much for watching. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask the person running your game night. And that's pretty much it. I hope to see you wonderful people on the battlefield. Peace.